Whoa, they're crazy.
Run to me. Run. Gonna get it.
Freaking pterodactyls.
Look
at all of them. Look at all those parrots. That is scary. They are scary cool.
Imagine on Halloween.
Halloween, I be running. They probably eat my eyeballs. Is that even real? What the heck?
Like a yellow, like right
What? Wow.
Oh, they have colors on them.
What?
If you zoom in, they have colors.
It's hard to see them in the silhouette. They're everywhere. Look at them all. They're all chilling over there. What? This is crazy. They're parrots. Those are parrots. Yeah, but you can't see the colors very much. Oh, wait, look at. Whoa. Oh, snap. They're leaving. Whoa.
Look at there's two more on the tree.
They're going. Oh, they're gone.
No, there's two more. Oh, there.
Oh, that was so cool. That was so cool. Okay, let's go back.